Hola! So guys, as you can tell by the title, this makeup minute is all about getting fuller lips using natural ingredients. I found a DIY lip plumping recipe online and decided to try it out. And the first thing you'll need is petroleum jelly, aka Vaseline. For those of you who do not know what petroleum jelly is, you can just buy you a little thing of Vaseline and you'll be alright. The next thing you'll need is some essential oils, and the recipe calls for cinnamon essential oil, wintergreen essential oil, and a menthol based essential oil. Typically people use peppermint as a menthol ingredient, but my store was sold out, so I went with spearmint, which is the next best thing. I found these oils at my local all natural market and vitamin store. If you don't have one near you, a market like Whole Foods should have these items. And once you have your Vaseline in the bowl, you want to start adding your oils. I initially did 3 to 4 drops of each oil, but I decided to ultimately do 10 drops because I really wanted this to work. Y'all know I love full juicy lips, so I really wanted to see how much I can handle because, you know, cinnamon can be very, very strong. Now you want to mix this together very well and put it into a container. I let mine sit overnight to really get the Vaseline to absorb the oils and get nice and juicy so that it will be all over it, so I could put it on my lips and it'll really work. And another good tip is to exfoliate the night before so your lips will be prepped, and that way they'll plump easier because you don't have any thick layers of dead skin on your lips. I applied the mixture while I did my makeup this day, and you will definitely feel some tingling. It starts out light, but it gets intense, so if you don't have a high tolerance for discomfort, then I would definitely suggest to start with just 3 drops of each oil. But after I did my makeup, I wiped it off my lips, and voila, you can see that my lips look significantly bigger. I did not use any lip liner. This is straight from the Vaseline and oil mixture, which I was very impressed by, and this I found lasts for up to 8 hours, but your results may vary. You may find as though it doesn't last as long. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little DIY. If you try this out, please let me know what you think about the recipe down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Until my next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.